Make money online and how to calculate your financial freedom figure. Welcome to my video series on how to make money online as an affiliate. In part 5, we're going to talk about how to work out your financial freedom figure. In this video, I'm also going to show you a really powerful place to find untapped products to promote. It's right at the end, so make sure you keep watching, as this can make you big commissions. So how do you calculate your financial freedom figure? Say you wanted to earn 100,000 per year, which is more than most people can earn from a regular job. You want to work out how much this is per month. So 100,000 divided by 12 is 8,334 per month. So if you were promoting a $400 monthly commission product, you'd need to convert 21 people per month. And because it's a monthly commission product we're talking about here, once you've hit that value, which may take you a couple of months, but once you get there, they're going to keep, you're not going to have to do it again. They're going to be, they should stay with you for a while, and so any extras you get after that are all just increasing the amount you make each month. So that 21 a month is 5 per week, which is less than 1 per day. Or if you wanted to earn $5,000 per month and you're promoting a $97 product, that's about 52 conversions per month, or 12 per week, and that's only 2 per day. So as you can see, that should be quite doable. And if it's a monthly recurring product, as we said before, then that's going to keep making you money passively, and you can move on to other projects. So I promised you to show you a website for untapped products to promote. So let me show you. So that site is muncheye.com. Here it shows you a list of all the big launches coming out and all the ones that have just launched. And as you can see, these are all products which most people won't be promoting yet. So if we take this one for an example, you can see you could earn a commission. Well, so you can find some really big value products. That's $3,000. That's nearly $3,000, and you'd get 50% of that. So that's $1,500 roughly for one commission. So if we go back to that, so if you were promoting that $400 product, you'd be promoting you'd have to a third of the amount of people. You'd have to convert a third of the amount of people. So that's 2 people every 3 days, if I remember rightly. And you can see, sorry, my internet's really, really slow again. So that one is on ClickBank. So you can find that on ClickBank, which means you can just opt in, with your name, with your ClickBank name, and you can start promoting it. So you can also see on here, you've got JV Zoo, which is this one over here, Warrior Plus. These are all good places to find more offers as well and to sign up for. I'd highly recommend. But you can see there's some really big, there's that one that's 3,000. There's another one down here, which is nearly 2,000 and at 50%, also on ClickBank. Look. Another one down here, 3,500. Doesn't show what percentage. Another one down here, also on ClickBank, Leads Hunter, 997 at 50%. So another $1,000 commission per time there. So you can see, like, if you can get one of these really big commissions, you don't have to do many in a month to hit that target. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what things you're thinking of promoting, and if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be on getting traffic from social networks, or social network traffic. Thank you.